Gentlemen, I want to thank you for making it here today. I want to appreciate your efforts in the growth of this company. You've done so well and you're well appreciated. I want to let you know that if you continue like this, we'll be competing with the best of the best in ICT companies in the world. Richard Ebo, I appreciate your effort. You've tried so much and I get you, the company will not want to let you go now.
I'm very thankful, sir.
We appreciate your effort.
I'm totally overwhelmed by this.
You don't need to be. Your effort is paying. You're the best in the technical department of this company and we appreciate you.
Sure, I'm loyal, sir.
We also appreciate every one of you. You're doing well. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
In the absence of every other thing, I think we should all go back to our different departments. We'll come back here in the next 6 months to go through our files again and see what we've done so far. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Richie, my man.
What's up?
What's up, man? Where are you going to? Well, all this looking out for you.
Well, that's exactly why I came to the end of the course. It's called salary.
Exactly right. I want to congratulate you. We're all in there for the meeting. The CEO special commendation.
That's why we get paid, right?
I was thinking such promotion would surface high oil.
Baby. What's wrong now? Why are you doing this? After a hectic day at work, all you give me is a cold welcome.
Welcome, my lovely husband.
Okay, no hugs, no kisses. Come on, man.
Bad. Hugs. Ini, what is it now?
Okay, now you don't seem happy.
Richard, you want me to fake happiness when I'm not happy inside? Richard, you want me to fake it? Richard, I'm not happy. I'm not happy in this house. I'm not happy.
From my mind, I'm trying everything that I can to make us happy. I'm not trying not to make us comfortable.
That is my problem with you, comfortable. That is what I've been hearing since I married you in this house. Richard, did I marry you to be comfortable? No. I'm asking you!
What else can one ask for? What?
Richard, back then in school, you promised me a bright, beautiful future. Yes, you were the most intelligent, computer wizard, you can make and make a computer system. I fell in love with you based on those bases of prospective future. Now we're in the future. Where is the promise? Where is your promises? Where?
For my mind not trying. I live in a comfortable apartment. I drive a good car. I pay our bills. What else am I supposed to do? Kill myself?
Stop! You live in a comfortable apartment. A rented apartment, Richard. You drive a comfortable car. A loan car that was given to you by your company, which they'll be deducting the money from your salary for the next 2 years. You're here talking about, bragging about a loan car, while your mate buys their wives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Not even for themselves. You're here talking about a loan car. I am ashamed of you. Richard, I am ashamed of you. You heard again, amen. Hey! Akumo!
Hello?
Hello, brother. It's me.
Hello, Nkechi? I can hear you now. Nkechi, I can hear you. What is it?
Brother, it's Papa.
Wait. What did you say? What happened to Papa?
Brother, Papa is dying. He called me to the room. When I got there, I saw him bleeding from his private part.
What? Calm down. He is bleeding how? From his anus or his urinary organ?
Brother, from his urinating organ.
Hey! Chineke! What kind of thing is this? How can he be bleeding? Is he a woman?
I don't know, brother.
Jesus. It's 1 a.m. now. Eh? Look, you just stay with him till morning. Eh?
Brother, I'm gonna stay with you tomorrow, brother. Brother, you have to come back now. Brother, please, you have to come back. Papa is dying. I beg you in the name of God, come and help me.
Then what do you want me to do now? It's late. I can't drive out. What do you want me to do?
Brother, please, I beg you. Papa is dying. He's seriously dying. Papa.
Hello? Nkechi? Hello, Nkechi?
Papa, I'm here. Papa, I'm here. Papa. Brother, he's dead. Papa, because
What is this? Hey. What's this one now? What is this? Eh? From his urine. Why now? Why? What is this for? What is this? What?
This is a severe case of the prostate. It has now become cancerous. Blood now passes through the urine tract.
What? How is that even possible? Okay, what is his fate now?
Yeah. Though I have given him some vaccines that will help the dripping, but not to a complete dry up. He needs to be taken on an operation to correct the mistakes.
Okay, well that's fine. Then let's go ahead with the operation, doctor. Let's do it.
And the operation will cost you 1,200,000 naira. But before then, you have to deposit the sum of 700,000 naira.
700 what?
Yes, before the operation can commence.
Where am I going to find 700,000 naira?
If I were you, I'll go out there to look for that money. Because at this morning, your father's blood was 45%. And if it's less than 30%, there is nothing I can do about it. I cannot guarantee you his life.
Ew, 700,000.
Just go out there to look for the money, sort out the money, anyhow you can look for it.
Okay, I'm coming, eh? I'll be back. I'm sorry.
He doesn't even know I'm broke.
My father is sick, he's dying.
Your father dies?
He's the manager.
In his office right now.
Expect you later. You have to give me this loan. Look, I have to save my father's life, okay? Just remove it from my salary as usual now, please.
What are you saying? You still have 15 more months to pay for the car loan you were given. You haven't even completed that yet. You're asking for another loan? What does that?
I was saying my father's life is at stake. He's my father, the same man who gave up everything to make me who I am today.
If he's your father, are you going to watch him die? Please now. I understand the situation you're in. But I'm sorry. You have to try some other place. Look, please, call the CEO. Okay, I know he will consider me. He knows my work ethics now. Please. I should call the CEO. And tell him what? That the staff who hasn't completed paying a loan he took wants another loan? Come on, who does that? Please, don't play with my intelligence, okay? I'm sorry, I can't. I just can't. Please, it's me. It's Richard. It's against the company's policy. There's nothing I can do.
You see what I was telling you? Ordinary 700,000 naira. We are mere slaves to these people. Just 700,000 naira. Meanwhile, just a click from you gives them millions of naira.
Stop. This is not what I need right now, okay? Not a sermon, alright? I don't need to all this. I need to be thinking about raising 7 or 8,000 naira to save my father. You're over here discussing people. What's that going to change?
Okay. Good. But while doing those you're thinking, make sure they put money into your bank account, not in your fellow man's bank account. Good luck.
Do I do? Wow. Hello? Ekene? How far, my guy? Brother, I'm not good though. I won't even lie to you. Ekene, there's a problem. Look, my father is sick. Seriously ill. He's pissing blood from his penis. And the doctor said they need about 700,000 before they commence the operation. I need to borrow the money, eh? Please, I'll pay you back. Eh? You don't have... Hello? Hello? Hey. Yes. If you like, I can even drop you the particulars of my car. And it will serve as collateral. If I don't pay in 1 year, you take my car. I'll put it in writing. You keep a copy and I have a copy just in case. Yes. Yes, 700,000 naira. No, 700,000 naira. What? Please. Hello? Hello? What do I do? Do I call now? Do I call? Hey, my pastor. No. Hey, God. I can't go back to that hospital empty-handed now. I don't want to watch him die. After everything that man sacrificed for me. God. Hey. God.
Papa Richard. Papa Richard. You know I can never deceive you. You're my brother. Why would you even prefer to train that boy in the university instead of sending him to Onitsha to serve as an apprentice in one of these markets like Bukobosi, Bukampo, Obosisi, or even Oboro. After 6 years, they will settle him and he will become a guy of himself, a big businessman. Take over university.
One minute. You know, since my wife and I gave birth to that boy, we have discovered that that boy has a special gift. Even his primary and secondary school teachers have given testimonies of his exceptional ability. They want those seriously not to be sure that he does not drop out of school. I know that if I struggle now and send him to university, he will come out and make us proud. If God keeps us alive.
God will keep us alive. God will keep us alive. But I am still telling you, my brother, university is very, very expensive. I know why I'm telling you all this. It's better you don't start something you cannot finish.
It's a value. Whatever it takes to send him to school. Even if it means selling off all my clothes, I don't mind. I will do that. Yes.
You will say your plot of land.
Because I know that when this boy comes out of his life, he will be a good man. He will be a government official. My son, when you get to school, I want you to be focused on your studies. Your father is not rich, so don't join the children of the rich and begin to lead the kind of useless life you live. Remember, I have sold a plot of land so that I can go to that university and read computer science. Always know why you are there. I want you to go there and graduate, get a good job, and become a rich man so that you can lift the burden of the family. Go there and make money. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa. Thank you very much. I'm not just going here to study. Make sure I come out with flying colors. Also make sure I make you and my sister proud someday. Thank you very much.
Remember, I have sold one plot. I want to promise you that if I have to sell one plot of land so that you will come out a graduate of computer, I will do that. But I want you to be focused. We are not rich, we are very good. It is only when you go to this university that you will come out and have money so that you no longer be called poor people in this village. Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm hearing you.
I couldn't replace the plots of land you sold. I couldn't give you a better life. Now I can't even save your life because I don't have money at hand. Papa, I'm sorry for disappointing you, Papa. I pray your soul forgives me.
Coming! Is everything okay? How is Papa?
I'm waiting on Nkechi to call me. She hasn't called me, so I've decided to come home.
I didn't get that. What do you mean?
I couldn't raise money for the operation. I didn't want to go back to the hospital. I can't sit there to watch him die. So if he dies, she should call me.
Hear yourself, Mr. Comfortable. Can you hear yourself? Ordinary 700,000 your mates give to their girlfriends for just shopping. Couldn't raise for a man who suffered so much to make you who you are today. Hello. Can you see how wretched you are?
Informer, is this what you are supposed to be telling me? You are adding more salt to my injury.
No, I should kiss you now. No, I should bite you. Listen, you better start going back to the house. Look at that man. You're waiting for your younger sister to call you. Eh? This house will not contain the both of us. Just go back to that hospital where you are coming from. I will wait for him to watch him die. Are you serious? Why this man, oh? Hey! Just start going back, oh!
Don't allow situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down.
Doctor, how's my father? I'm so sorry, I couldn't come up with
The
you.
operation was successful. Thank God.
Operation?
Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you. But your sister would have told you.
Tell me what?
When we left the office this morning, someone came in and deposited money. Someone who knows you very well. So your father is okay and he's sleeping.
Who was it?
He called your names in full. He knows you too well.
He called my name. Who can this be?
I know him as Tony. That's all I know about him.
So why was he acting that strange?
You mean the guy that just left now?
Yes.
Well, his father is bleeding seriously. And he has the sum of 700,000 naira to raise. If he does not raise the sum of 700,000 naira in the next 6 hours, he's going to lose his father.
So after all these years in the university, after being the most brilliant student on campus, most intelligent, computer wizard, Richard Ebo cannot save his father's life with a paltry sum of 700,000 naira. Ah, what an irony.
Do you know him?
Doctor, please go ahead and save the old man from dying. I'm going to do an instant transfer of 700,000 naira to you now. And when you are done treating him, do not hesitate to let me know. I'll give you the balance.
Oh, that's so considerate of you. It's okay.
Tony. Tony. Did you see the man?
Which man?
The man that paid for Papa's operation.
But I didn't see anybody. I thought you paid for past operation. Let me get water.
So this is how I would have lost my father. Huh? The power of money. Who said money cannot buy life? Who is this Tony that coughed out such a huge amount of money effortlessly while I was busy rushing from pillar to post, all to no avail? It has dawned on me.
Hey! Rich, what's up?
What's that?
You still thinking about your old man?
No. Just had one of the different things on my mind.
So how is he today?
It's fine. He should be discharged today, actually.
Okay, wow, that's good news. So he's no longer using that urinary aid?
Oh, no. The man is urinating freely and normally now. Oh, God.
Wow, good news, good news. So have you not figured out who the Tony is?
No. I'm thinking he's God. Sends out an angel in human form. You know, I needed a miracle at the time.
Yeah.
God is good, man.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm just coming from the manager's office. I just tendered my resignation letter.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm out for good.
Hey, sit down.
What?
Sit down.
Okay.
Guy, who does that? How do you leave one job when you haven't even found another? What's that? A bird in one hand is worth more than 10,000 in a bush. What are you doing?
Do you expect me to be answering someone yes boss all the time?
Yes, you do, until you save up enough money to start your own business. That's exactly what you do.
No, that's your mindset. For your information, a lot of guys sit at the comfort of their house, making billions of dollars, with the same computer you work on to make money for other people. Yeah.
What's that? You have Joe bad guy. You want to start internet fraud, that's what it is. Huh?
Do you think that's the only business someone can do with the computer?
Well, let me tell you something, okay? If it's about internet or anything blogging, you have to start the site. Wait and be patient for it to garner traffic. Have internet users, okay? And you're not going to do that by sitting at home and sitting in front of the computer every day, except you want a party with starvation and hunger.
Anyway, I'm above the level of being an errand boy. I want to be the boss of my own.
Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Hey, do not call me if you need anything. Who does this?
So, I told Nkechi, since you are doing better now, tomorrow I'll take both of you back to the village.
It is not a problem. But, Richard.
Yes, Papa.
I was told that you are not the one that brought the money for the operation.
That's true, Papa. I was running around looking for money, trying to sort it out.
You said you were running around.
Yes, Papa.
Where do they look for money? On the street.
Papa, 700,000 is not small money. I didn't even have a tenth of that at the time of the incident. What, Papa?
I was misled. I was misinformed.
What do you mean? By who?
You know, when my brother refused that I send you to the university to to study computer science, I did not understand what he was saying. I could not comprehend. As at that time, no, I couldn't.
Papa, are you saying you regret sending your son to school? You regret me being a graduate?
Richard, yes now. I regret it. And do I have to tell you? I regret it. Your cousin that went to the same secondary school with you and later went to Onitsha main market as an apprentice is marrying you. When his father had this type of sickness, the boy did not start looking for money on the street. No, he simply brought out money from his pocket and paid as a man. Look at that boy now. He's so rich, very rich, buying cars, buying land everywhere, building houses everywhere, hotels. And look at me. Look at me. What have I gained from selling the only parcel of land I have to send you to study computer what in the university? What have I gained?
Papa, it's knowledge now. Papa, I'm a genius. And he doesn't know what I know.
Richard, shut up. Shut up. Of what use is knowledge when it cannot put money into your pocket? Look, let me tell you, a rich, foolish man is better than 1,000 wise, poor men. Richard, you are a waste. You are a mistake.
They go do your life. Look at your life. It's God that will keep blessing Papa for you. Because when I talk, it will look like, oh, Ifeoma, she's a very troublesome woman. She likes to talk too much. She likes to disturb her husband. She nags too much. Richard, you are seriously lagging behind. You heard it directly from your father's mouth. You need to wake up. You are not doing enough. You are not doing well at all. You know, yeah?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with all of you? Am I really doing this bad at this age? Am I?
Yes, so. Yes, so. Ofuma, you are doing very, very bad. Because to whom much is given, much is expected. And then, your mates are doing really good. You are lagging behind.
Into love situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Take life easy. Take life easy. When you put it you so babu and no so. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul because of the things of the world, because of money?
Azu, Businesswoman. Azu, you need a bouquet go.
Hey, how far now?
When they see me now, I'm fine.
You're shining.
Should be shining as usual. K1, I'm good. How is market?
Business.
I can see that. Azuka. Let's talk one more. Hey, Nne, have you heard from our friend?
Our friend?
Nkechi now, Nkechi, our friend. I heard she took her father to the hospital in the city.
Oh. I've not seen her. But wait, what was the actual problem?
My sister, as I heard, the father is bleeding from his genital organ. So they took him to the hospital.
That is strange.
Very, very. I've not heard of this one before. I've not heard of this one.
Hey, I pray it survives it.
I pray so. I pray so. I pray so.
Adobe, please. If she comes back and you see her, please let me know. I want to go and see her father and say sorry. You know?
What do you mean by that? If I should let you know. So why am I here? That's the reason I came now. If you say I should let me know.
Adobe, it's the same thing.
No, it's not the same thing because it's the same thing. No. Anybody that sees should let the other person know.
Same thing. You see, I see. Anybody that sees, I'll let you show that.
Because
Come, let me show you something. Just come.
Because let you show you something.
Go.
Don't allow situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the depression of life to weigh you down. Take life easy. Take life easy.
Does that mean that nobody in this house?
Nkechi! Nkechi! It's been 3 weeks now. They left us.
Azuka! Ha! Is she not here? Azuka!
Onye!
Azuka, Kedu.
Also, good afternoon. I'm fine.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, do you know if Nkechi and her father have come back from the city?
No, I don't know, and I've never seen her.
Did she tell you when they will be coming back?
Also, I should be asking you that question. If you are in the best, to answer that question.
Odima, please, if you see her, tell her that I've been checking up on her.
Okay, I will.
Please.
I will.
So how is the business going?
My brother, we thank God we are doing this once more, as you can see. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
Hey, love, one thing. Hey, you see? He's missing his girlfriend. Azuka, nobody will miss you when you travel. No boyfriend. Obalo, Melody.
Azu, talk of the devil.
What is it? Okay.
The person we spoke about a moment ago now.
Nkechi?
Yes, she is back. She is back. I saw her with the father.
Are you serious?
Just now, they just came back from the taxi.
Hey, thank God. You know, our guy just left. Our boyfriend just left here now. Was there a minute? He just left. He was asking after her. Yes.
Ne, you can as well rush to him. Not tell him that the girlfriend is back now, so that we'll go and enjoy.
I should run after him and tell you.
Hey.
I'm busy body now. I don't know what I'm doing. I should run and tell you.
Okay. No, we're not the one that said the boyfriend was there to ask you about the girlfriend. He didn't come to ask me now. Had it been he asked me, I would have run after him now. You know, I wouldn't have hesitated. You know me wrong.
I don't be it's the same thing. You can still run after him and tell him. There's nothing wrong with it. Go and tell him.
Calm down, Azuka. Calm down.
Him and I go get. But I'm not in the mood. Let's go and see Nkechi and her father and tell them welcome. Please, let's go and see Ajare.
Azuka, my friend.
Wait, let me lock my shop.
We come on, say so.
Let's go. Wait.
Thank you. My friends. How are you? I'm better. I'm trying to be strong. Thank you.
So how is it?
It's fine. By God's grace, it's fine.
It's well.
You know, we would love to see him more. At least to say sorry.
Yes.
You know?
My dear, I wish you could. But he's sleeping, I can't wake him up. Next time. Next time.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's fine.
So, what actually did the doctor say that caused the bleeding?
What is that in the beginning? The doctor said it's called blockage. Blockage. The doctor said some stones blocked his vein. That stopped his blood from flowing and caused one urinary tract.
Yeah.
That's what the doctor mentioned.
Urinary tract.
Urinary tract. Something tract.
Yeah.
My dear.
Stone, no. Yeah. Okute. But what will stone be doing in his body? How come?
My friend, all these local rice and beans people sell in this village, it will cause some stones in people's body.
But I believe that if you buy things that have stones inside, you pick out the stones.
It's not everybody that picks stones.
Yeah, I used to pick out stones before cooking.
Yes,
now.
Not everybody that does that. Well, thank God he's okay.
Urinary
tract.
That's what you remember. Hey, okay.
I am my friend.
Since you traveled, you know that your boyfriend was there. He has been disturbing me. Just take it. Go back. Let's go back. So you don't tell him that you're traveling, Abi. You didn't tell him. You see?
I couldn't tell him. There was no time to tell him. And you know he doesn't have a phone. I couldn't reach him. But I'll get to see him.
Sorry, I see him. He's really worried.
Hey, NK. Hey!
Hey! How you guys been?
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
I saw a car drove the night out of their house.
Serious?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Just go. I'll go and see them now. Thank you very much. Hey! My kitchen. Hey!
Nemo. Thank God he's completely healed.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. It's not easy. Do you know that the operation took 1 million naira?
1 million naira.
1 million naira.
Thank you. 1 million naira.
Yes.
Hey, how did you people raise that kind of money?
What kind of question is that? Richard is there now.
Richard. 1 million naira.
What are you even saying? Are you saying that Richard cannot bring out 1 million for his father's treatment? Thank God, though.
Thank God. It went well. My dear, that is it.
I miss you so much.
We should be on our way now.
You are here.
Yes, I'm here. We should be going now.
Okay. You take care of yourself, eh?
Bye.
I missed you so much. Oh, baby, why did you stay this long?
Sorry.
What was the meaning of that nonsense?
What nonsense are you talking about? You started the nonsense.
Me?
Azuka, you. Yes, you. You started the nonsense.
How?
What's the meaning of that question? They saved their father with money. You were there asking nonsense questions. Nebiko.
You say what? You know that these people don't have that money. So, how did they get that kind of money to save the father? Why would I ask the question? Why?
Must you rub it on their face, Azuka? Must you admit your mistake for once? Must you rub it on their face?
Please. What are you even saying? Everybody in this village knows that the only thing that Richard does is to speak big English. Oko, Yibo, Koko. What are you saying? So 1 penny. After 1 naira he doesn't have.
Gini we mesia. Azuka, Gini we mesia. Must you remind them all? Must you? They use 1 million naira to save their father's life. Life, Azuka, life. You were there asking how they got the money. How they got the money is none of your business. The least you could have said was to say thank God. I'm not asking nonsense questions. Now admit your mistake, Biko. Who the nonsense be here?
Advocate for it's okay. Thank God. Are you okay now?
Better.
Please.
Nonsense.
It was so sudden. The bleeding started in the night. I had no option than to call my brother. Came early in the morning and took I and Papa to the city. That was why I couldn't reach you. There was no way to reach you.
You would have tried anyhow. Send someone to inform me. Or even come and call me yourself.
Jose, I wasn't thinking at that time. I was just confused. Please.
Imagine other people telling me what happened, when I should have been the one telling them what happened.
You know your phone is bad. There was no way to reach you. If your phone was working, I would have called you.
When phone were not out, were people not communicating with their friends, loved ones and family? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
No. I'm sorry.
Simple. That is what you will have said since you are here sitting claiming right.
I'm not claiming right. Okay, I'm sorry. I know you missed me. It's okay. I'm sorry. Don't do your face like that, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, if you know it's okay, why don't you tell me how much you missed me?
Of course I missed you. See, you almost killed me in this village.
Okay. Thank God you're not dead.
Please don't do that. Don't do it again. What is that, sir?
Hug, please.
Hug?
Yes.
No.
Please, hug.
Just hug?
Yes.
I won't do more than that. Come on, baby. Show me love.
You didn't tell me you went for a pregnancy test.
Richard, where did you get this thing from?
What kind of question is that? Are you supposed to be hiding from me?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm not going to have this baby for you.
Are you joking?
Does it sound like I'm joking?
You're telling me you're going to abort my baby, my first child?
So you seriously expect me to keep this baby for you?
You're my wife. We're married. What are you talking about?
Richard, yes. When you asked for my hand in marriage, you saw how classy I was. You saw the class of men that are coming from back then in school. You promised me such a wonderful, beautiful future. How you gonna make it real big soon? How you're such a genius. Of course you are. But now that we're in the future you promised me, what do you have to show for it? Absolutely nothing. Tell me.
What's your point?
Number one, I never planned having any of my kids in Nigeria. It has to be in America or in Europe. And then number two, in my present condition, you do not expect me to be jumping from one taxi to a bike in this condition. Of course, I need mobility, and that is during and after my pregnancy. Then number three, I will never ever have any of my children in a rented pre-wedding apartment. It has to be in a duplex because my children need freedom of movement inside their father's compound. Alright? Richard, as you can see, we both are not ready for this. So let's wait patiently for the future you promised me. And that is if it doesn't elude us finally. Here is your breakfast.
Richard, what is this? What is the meaning of this?
So is this what I gave you?
No, it is what I gave you. What kind of stupid question is that?
I'm sorry, son. I'll fix this. I'll do a fresh printer.
I don't understand what's going on with you anymore. You make mistakes all the time. You lose concentration. You better fix this.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm really sorry.
I've told you, Richard. I've told you times with that number. Stop allowing your family problem to weigh you down.
Stop allowing your family problems to get in between you and your job. Look, these same family members of yours, if you lose this job, they'll be the ones to mock you. Fix that. Fix it. Richard, have you fixed it?
I was just working.
What are you saying? What's been keeping you? The CEO just called me that he and his billionaire friend are on their way here.
God.
What is it?
Sir, let me not lie to you, sir. I've not been myself today.
Oh, Richard, I've told you. Stop allowing your family problems to weigh you down. Now look, the CEO and his billionaire friend are 2 poles away from the office. And they want you to do an oral presentation immediately they get here. You better wake up and do this, okay? Get it fixed.
God, what's happening to me? What have I done?
Mr. Tony, this is Mr. Richard. I call him the computer wizard. He's the brain behind the success of this company.
Yes. You're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Richard,
yes.
This is Mr. Tony. He's the CEO of Matrix Venture, a great giant in ICT business in this part of the world.
Wow.
He's interested to partner with us to launch the app you design. Please, I would like you to explain to him.
Sure, sir. You're welcome again, Mr. Tony.
And you want me?
Yes. The app in question here is called Profit Hacks. Profit Hacks is a very, very simple app, very user-friendly. You know, it's basically for all kind of businesses, large, medium, and small-scale businesses. It allows the user to be able to account or monitor their profit and loss just by a click of a finger. I believe very, very strongly that if this app hits the market, it becomes an instant hit. Yeah, it becomes an instant hit. Yeah, it will sell out. Mr. Tony. Sorry, sir. Mr. Tony. Sorry, you look familiar. Have we met?
Richard, it's a pity this is the third time we are meeting each other and you were unable to recognize me.
Tony wasn't.
Now you know. Hey, what? Can you please go on with your talk? I'm very much interested in the business.
Tony wasn't. Sorry, I couldn't. Richard, I'm out of here. Richard!
What's going on? Don't mind him. If he knew I was the one coming, he wouldn't have been here in the first place. You know him before.
I found out who the Tony is. The Tony that paid for my father's hospital bills.
So, is that why you came back early?
Yeah, but you are just asking me who he was.
Oh, sorry.
It's Tony from school. Tony Razorome.
Tony Razorome. Tony paid a bill of $1 million plus.
Yes.
really serious.
Tony is a billionaire. Tony is a partner to my boss. Tony is a partner to my boss, the CEO of my company.
Richard, are you kidding me?
Sir. I called him sir. I was calling him sir before I even realized who he was.
Jesus Christ.
Has not been easy since today.
Today's lecture, God.
Likewise, we are really stressed.
Well, thank God. At least I learned.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Richard, good day. Good day.
Tony.
Tony, what do you want?
I'm sorry for disturbing you guys. I came to your house yesterday night, but I didn't see you. It's about that Microsoft-based tutorial I told you about. I didn't quite understand it when the lecturer was teaching, so I decided to come to you.
How will you understand when you are dumb ass? Excuse me, Tony. So because you are a dumb ass, I can't even have peace of mind for you or even hang out with my babe.
Richard!
No. Excuse me. This guy keeps pestering my life every day. If he doesn't come with a quiz for me to help him solve it out, he'll come with a test. Sometimes even an exam.
So, is it not a crime for someone to go to someone who's more intelligent than him to learn?
It's not a crime. You're getting it wrong.
Then what?
Why come with a textbook when I'm hanging out with you? For crying out loud, this guy should respect our relationship. It's not all the time he will keep on interrupting us.
Richard, I'm so sorry to have disturbed you. But mind you, nobody knows tomorrow. You might be the one needing my help tomorrow.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Richard, are you okay? What are you thinking about?
Isn't it obvious?
Now what?
Then I'm a failure after all.
It's about Tony, right? Richard, listen. You don't have to worry too much about it. Alright? The man I married, my husband, is an intelligent man and a genius. Yes. All you need to do is to figure out how to make use of your God-given beauty and talent. Richard, you're destined to become a millionaire. Yes. Tony is not anywhere close to you. I know this. The only problem I have with you is that you know I carry too comfortable for less. You don't have to settle for this, sweetheart. We can do this. Go for the biggest. That's your class. Our class. Richard, forget I believe so much in you. I know this. I know you can do it. Alright? Can we go back to sleep now?
I'm not working for anybody anymore, okay? I'm taking my destiny into my own hands now. Those fools have made millions of money with my own intelligence. Enough is enough.
That's my baby! Oh my God! Are you serious? You've quit for real?
No.
As in quit?
Yeah.
Oh
No more. I want to make millions for us.
yes, baby.
Don't.
Let's make money!
I'm a genius, baby.
So happy, I know. And I trust in you, I believe in you a lot. You know, I'm your biggest fan.
Yeah, maybe something.
Of course. I'll be right back.
Yeah, Chimobi, has he gone?
Yes, I saw him going up now.
He's gone.
No, yes.
Yeah, take it. Chuck it. That's my boy. You know what? Go back home. I'll see you later, okay? Chimobi tell me that he saw your dad living while school. Okay. I've lost it. What kind of thing is this now?
Let's go.
Go where?
Let's go inside. He has gone.
Inside where? But I didn't see him leaving.
He has gone out.
Are you serious?
Very sure.
I'll come tomorrow.
Go.
Okay, but first. Thank you. My love. I want to come and see your father about us.
No. Ozzy, please, I don't think it's time. Please, no. Not now. No.
What are you talking about? Am I not man enough to marry you? See, I'm the only son of my father. And marriage should be paramount to me right now.
Ozzy, I know. Let's leave this our relationship the way it is right now. I don't want anything to happen to my father. I don't want my father to have a heart attack. Let's discuss something else. Ozzy, let's just do something else. Please, I beg.
So coming to marry you will now give your father a heart attack.
Ozzy, I didn't say that. Okay, let me explain to you. My father has just me and my elder brother, Richard. My father spent all his money just to send Richard to school. But till today, Richard is not doing fine. He's still financially broke. And my father's last hope. All what my father wants for me is to bring a rich man that will come and marry me and change our life. How do you think my father is going to feel? I come back home with a poor village boy to marry me. He's not going to be happy with me. But let's say something else. Let's don't just talk about it right now.
Okay. It's okay. I've heard you. No problem.
Oh, are you angry?
No, I'm not. I'm happy.
Ozzy.
I'm happy.
Ozzy.
I'm coming. I want to ease myself.
Ozzy.
I'm coming. I want to.
Discussing.
Wait.
Ozzy.
Excuse me. Please, I want to ease myself.
Ozzy.
Please. I want to ease myself. So this is it. Nkechi has never loved me. She's just whiling away her time with me, waiting for a rich suitor. But come to think of it, what she said is true. I am poor, village boy, who can barely take care of himself before looking for a wife to take care of. This is a wake-up call. Wake up, Izomina. Wake up and be the man you were created to be.
I shouldn't have told him that. I love Ozzy, but he can't marry me now. Not in this condition. My brother is fighting poverty, and I will end up marrying a man who is fighting poverty as well. No, it is not good for my father. Not at all.
Coming back to.
How are you?
I'm fine. So where are you going to?
Well, I've come to thank you for everything. For pushing me up. I'm going to the city. I want to go and make money.
Hope this is not enough.
I love you, Nkechi. And I want to marry you. But you say you don't want to marry me. So, let me go to the city, make money, and then come back for you.
Ozzy, can't stop being fun. Wait, you think money is somewhere out there on the streets, waiting for you to come and pick it up? Go and ask those people hustling outside. They will tell you how far and how where. It's not by carrying your bag and leaving.
No problem. I will go and hustle with them. And I promise you I'm going to make money. At least you won't have to call me that poor village boy anymore.
Ozzy. Okay, go and come back. I'll be here waiting for you.
Just like that, without any notice, he just walked away at the middle of presenting a proposal to a client, and for the past 3 months he has not reported to office.
Sir, I'm sure your friend Tony has something to do with it.
I asked Tony. Tony said they were just cosmates. And even at that doesn't mean he should just walk away like that.
Sir, I'm sure your friend Tony is not telling you everything. He has not told you everything.
Whatever it is, we need that guy back in this company. The past 3 months has not been easy with the company. We need him back. I want you to call him and talk to him.
Call him? Sir, I've called him severally, but he wouldn't just listen to me.
Okay. Did you tell him I have plans of making him the managing director of this company? Yes. And as the managing director of this company, he has percentage on every cover that comes into this company.
Of course I did, sir. I told him everything. But sir, if I may suggest, why don't you call him? That young man is such a golden chick that lays golden egg. He's the best. We can't afford to lose him, sir. Please call him. Call him and tell him about your plans for him. Maybe that might change his mind.
Leave my bag alone. Listen, Richard, I am going back to my father's house. I can't stay here and watch you stab me and my unborn child to death. I am almost pregnant for crying out loud. I need food more than ever now. And my baby needs food too.
Wait now, Ifuma, please. You're the one encouraging me to start my own business. Look, I've opened 3 sites, 2 blogging sites and one YouTube channel. Very soon, I will have traffic. You know, I have what it takes to have the biggest site in the world. I'm a genius. Please. Investors will come looking for me everywhere soon.
Richard, listen. I know all this, alright? But the truth is, I can't stay here and watch you stab me to death. While you're doing the building of it's better for me to go back to my father's house. When you're done building, I'm waiting.
Okay, wait. Hello? What? What do you want? Huh? Look, wait, is it because I took a loan from a company to buy a car? Huh? Did I say I'm not paying you back? Why are you selfish? I made you millions, even billions. Huh? You want me to slave for you forever? Okay? Do whatever you want to do. Alright? I'll pay you when I have it. If I don't, I don't. And don't call my phone again. Nonsense. Baby, look, this thing will pick up, eh? It will pick up.
You see what I told you, sir? You see what I'm saying? Oh God. Sir,
What about the outstanding balance for the car loan it took?
I think we should let him be for now. Just don't ask him anything. Peradventure he comes back to his senses. I don't want anything that will make him run far or run further.
Sir, but sir, that's if he has not started working for another firm.
Let's keep sleeping.
Okay, sir.
Let's just hang in there.
Okay, sir.
Don't do this to me. You can't leave me. What do you expect me to do? Things are going to change. I promise you. Please. We're in this together now. We've been together for a while. Let's fight this fight together. Okay, look, I promise. This particular one will be our last fight. I'll usher us into the promised land. I promise.
Listen, Richard. I understand. I totally understand. But as we speak here, we have nothing in this house. No food stuff, no provision, no money, nothing. Before God and man, I seriously want to stay. I really want to stay with you. But can you at least make any of those available for us?
So food is the problem?
For me and my child. Yes! What have you been saying since it's food?
Okay. Just give me 1 hour. Okay? 1 hour now. I'll be back.
You said 1 hour?
Yes.
Okay. And what if you do not come back with any of them?
Then you go to your father's house. Yeah, but I'll...
Deal. Okay.
No, wait, but where are you going? Go back inside. I said 1 hour.
Listen, leave me. I just want to stay here and wait for you. You said 1 hour, right?
If you take your bags inside now, this doesn't make me feel... Okay, please. Go. Okay, sit down now. Don't go into... Where are my car keys?
Hello?
Hello? What's that?
Reach, my man. This one you remember me today.
Bro, so I need your help. Are you Nasaba?
Where else will I be? I'm married Nasaba, of course.
Thank God, thank God. So look, I need to see you right now, eh? It's very, very important. It's a matter of life and death. Where exactly are you?
Yeah, I'm relaxing somewhere at Golden Lamp Hotel.
You see me in the place over there. Wait for me, please.
Okay. I'll be waiting. Oh, so my nigga, as I was saying, see, I told the guy to send the money. He sent it. But that's not the actual price we talked about. You understand? Rich, you're here. Why are you looking like this?
Osas, come, let me see.
Come on, sit.
Osas, this is not a matter of sitting.
I know, no matter what it is. Come on, sit. Rich, sit. Come on. Sit. So sit down, relax, man. Come on. This is Ichiku from Economy, this is Sunday from Edo State. These are my niggas. These are the kings making things happen in this town. Okay? So what do you care for?
Nothing is wrong. Everything is down.
How? Come on, relax and... What is it?
Sorry. Osas,
Guys are coming. I'm sorry. Guys are coming.
What is it? Dude, I'm finished.
How?
Osas. My wife is trying to leave me as we speak now. Finished.
What's the problem?
I didn't tell you I left the company 3 months ago.
For real? You left the company? Oh, come on, chop logo, come on. You see what I told you? You can't be making money for others. You can't be making those men rich.
But there's no capital. There's no money. I opened 3 sites. I don't have money for content. I can't drive customers without content now. As we speak, there's no food in my house. She's trying to leave me if I don't come back to the house with money and food.
For you?
Yes.
It's okay, my brother. For you to leave that company, man, you're rich. It is done. I'm not saying welcome to Billionaire's Club.
How do you mean?
Okay. See those guys there? They are billionaires. Devil dollars, including your friend before you right here. Then I won't catch me.
One nigga. Become Osas. One nigga. Osas.
My Hashiki, one nigga. Come on, let's go and drink up.
Osas.
Come on.
One nigga. Osas.
My Hashiki, nigga. So, man. So that's it. So just sit down and enjoy yourself. Okay? Nothing spoiled. Just whatever you want to eat, just open your heart and eat it. Drink whatever you want to drink. On me. Okay? We'll make things happen. Come on. But no, you don't need no money. You don't have it. Nah, I'm not focusing 99. I offer you. So, waiter. Rich, you can start from here. Okay? Come on, go on. Oh, come on, relax. Bye, man. So, I hope you're catching your phone.
It's getting late.
Oh, that's tough. How much is it? How much do you want? Rachel, let me get your account number.
305
305
142
okay
002 16.
Richard C. and Bolanle, right?
No.
Okay. You're making things happen.
I see.
Go on.
Sas!
My nigga.
Oh, Sas!
My man. Come on, drink up.
One. Papa, 100,000.
Enjoy yourself.
One day.
Go feed your
One day.
Go feed your family. Yeah, Hashi.
One day.
Child. Nah, come on.
One day.
Why? What have I done? Why are you looking at me like this?
Allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Oh, take life easy.
Mama, Biko, let me talk to her. I'm not doing anything wrong to her. I want to come back to the house. I need her back. I can't even live without her. Please. For these 2 years, I haven't done anything to wrong her. And you know it. I've been doing my duties as a husband.
Richard, did you say duties? Which duties, Richard? You bloody liar. Eh? Mama, do not mind this man. This man wanted to stab me to death in his house. Wicked man! Mama, you saw how he sweet-talked me into marrying me, knowing fully well that he's nowhere near me. Eh? I married him with the promises of, oh, he's going to make it very soon real big. Till now, nothing. Eh? Richard, you are in my father's house. I want to ask you, does this house look like a poor man's house to you? Does it? Listen, I'm done and dusted. You just stand up and leave. Mama, see what?
Beg her, Mama. Tell her to give me just small time. I'm going to make it big, Mama. I'm a genius, and you know it.
Richard,
I'll make it big.
When I know? You make it big. When? When I'm dead, okay? We will see. Abi? Mama, ask him when. When?
Richard,
Mama.
She said that there is no single food in the house. Is that true?
Well, something like that, Mama. But it was the reason I went out to find money. I mean, before I got back, she was gone.
Mama, Biko, you go there? For how long?
But something delayed me now. It was a lot of traffic. Come on.
Have you brought the money?
Mama, this is 100,000 naira I went to find for her. So that she can buy things and eat. It's 100,000 naira.
Informer, you go up there, pack your bags and go home with your husband. Have you heard me? I don't want to repeat myself again.
Thank you, Mama.
You are welcome.
Richard, who gave you the 100,000 naira?
Mama, only if you are patient. Only just exercise small patience. Our days of small living are over. This is 100,000 naira. All for you.
You see, when I was talking to you, you were not giving me attention. We were slaves to these people. But anyway, I thank God it happened the way it happened, and you left them for good.
This internet fraud business, how lucrative is it? Do you see money like that?
You see all these big cars you see in town are being owned by G-boys. With serious cash.
G-boys?
My first transaction I got $1 million.
Hello! 1 million?
For real, I'm telling you the truth.
It's a lie.
You remember the car you saw me with the other day? Yeah. I bought it 10 million. And right now I've completed my complex building, which you're going to see after we finish drinking.
You
can come with me and sit to yourself. Come on, drink up.
No, so I can't drink again. Let's go.
I'm full. Drink it. Come on, drink up. Drink up. Welcome. To make money is very easy.
I am up. I am up.
Just wake up.
Hey!
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 Just remove those things and see very well. Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
See.
I don't say I'm building a 5-star hotel.
Hotel.
So let me die. You better not die.
Let me die,
Don't
yeah.
die. Come on, let me show you around. Come on.
Let me die.
Don't die.
Let me die here.
Better don't die, please. Come on, let me show you
Osas,
around.
let me die here.
Come on.
Osas!
See, Richie, money is all that matters in this country. It doesn't matter how you make the money. I mean, everybody's guilty of how he or she made it.
That one is true. Sas, this internet one, how does it work? How is it they make the money?
So Richie, the ability to convince a white man made him to believe that what you're saying is real, that is what you need. Conviction power.
That one is easy now. If people like you can convince a white man to pay you $1 million, who do you think I can't do that?
It's deeper than what you think.
Sas, shut up. Shut up, Mechoni. You know what I have. This internet fraud thing, I've just been shying away from it because I want to be a good guy. You want to go? You know I'm a computer wizard. If you, Osas, if you can make it big, I make it bigger. You know I'm a genius. Yes.
See, Richie is in the heart, not in the mouth.
Dear. So, Osas, I got everything it takes. Me and you, we work together. Okay. You know, I take a company from small to big.
No one.
First transaction, $20 million.
Okay.
That car, how much you say that?
10 million.
10 million. I slap you with 20. I slap you with 20.
Wow.
Barman, give him beer on me.
Okay, give me beer, please.
I start to spend the money now.
The lion has been awakened. It's been about 4 hours since I served your food. You haven't eaten it.
I'm still gonna eat it, baby, okay?
When it gets cold, right?
Just put it in the microwave.
Okay, oh. It's your business, better bring out good money, oh. Eat your food at least.
1 minute.
Okay.
What kind of luck is this?
Who are these people asking too many questions now? Yes, my company is registered with the CAC. Go to my website and see. See for yourself. My friend, stop asking questions and just drop me the dollar.
Richard. Why are you quarreling with this anyway?
Don't mind me, I'm sorry, eh? I'm sorry.
Richard, I hope insanity does not have anything to do with this, your internet business.
And I hope you go back to sleep and let me concentrate on my business.
Sorry.
Foolish woman. Drop it.
My fellow elders, if I am to suggest, I will say we start doing something on that road now, instead of waiting for the government. Eh? No, I'm only suggesting.
What do you mean by that? I disagree with you. I disagree with you. We have to wait for our children or for Christmas to come so that our children will come home, then we'll tell them our needs. What we need money for the road or road of construction so that they will give us money for it. We have to wait for them to come.
No. Are you waiting for them to come? Look at it. The rainy season is about to set.
I've said my own.
No. Just see it this way. We need to do something. We don't supposed to wait for government. I got no mother, more mother. Huh? What are you talking?
I understand what the Uda is saying. Yes. We have to start first. By the time they come back at Christmas, they will be impressed and do more. No much talking. My son, will support us with 500,000.
I am happy with what is happening here today. I am very much impressed. You see, when I look at the deplorable condition of that road, the only road that links us with other communities around and beyond, I feel like crying. But thank God for the steps we are taking today. Thank God for the steps we are taking today. There's no point wasting time. Eh? All I want to tell you, my son, Lokechukwu, will give us 1 million naira.
Also, my son, my son will give us 1 million.
Will give us 1 million.
You know this beauty already now.
Papa Richard, talk to us now. How much will you donate on behalf of your son?
No, leave him. Let him be. His son is a computer graduate. It is only when there's need for someone to blow big grammar or press computer that his son can come into play. But when it comes to money matters, he will tell you, let me go and look for it.
Richard,
where are you going? Richard, where are you going?
My brother, I don't mean to insult you.
So, Sas, where are we going? Where are you taking me to?
Rich, when I resigned from the office, I took my time to look around and watch all these G guys parading the street of Asaba, making money, buying properties and stuff like that. I had no option than to join them. Actually, the very first time I joined, man, I nearly died of hunger. No mugufo, no pepper rest. So I decided to meet Sunday. Explain to him my predicaments. He told me that if I'm ready to make money, that I should meet Onyeburebu.
Who is Onyeburebu?
When we get there, you know.
Okay.
So chill.
As long as money come out.
Soon, Pepe go rest for your pocket.
Pepe must rest. He has to rest. He has to rest.
Onyeburebu. 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 Onyeburebu.
By strength shall no man prevail, not by power, not by might, but by the Spirit, says the Lord. It is not of him that willeth, nor of him that runneth, but of him that showeth mercy. It takes the supernatural to achieve what you have desired.
That is why I brought him.
You have to sacrifice unto the Lord your God, and he shall open the doors of heaven and pour out his blessings unto you, that there will not be enough room for you to contain.
What kind of sacrifice?
Just like Jephthah in the Holy Book. When you get to your house, the first living thing that you should see, you should sacrifice unto the Lord your God, and your doors shall be open.
Excuse me. The only living thing in my house is my wife, my pregnant wife. You know now, I don't have a dog, I'm sorry. I don't have a dog, I don't have a pussycat, I don't have a house help. Only my pregnant wife.
Then she shall breed your sacrificial lamb, so that your doors shall be opened.
Huh? What did you say?
I have said my part.
Onyeburebu. 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 What was that for?
Why should be asking you that question?
No one questions the word of Onyeburebu. Don't you know where you are?
Sars, are you out of your mind?
What is it?
How can you bring me here? Eh? Wait. Did I tell you I wanted to do blood money? Eh? What does the internet business have to do with me, with sacrifice? Human sacrifice, for Christ's sake.
There is no way I would have told you about it. It's an everlasting covenant. Anyone that breaks or exposes the covenant dies immediately. The only thing I could have done is just to connect you to the covenant.
What covenant? What?
Oh, you think all these G guys that made money from white people, do you think white people do you think they are fools? They are not fools. You have to sacrifice something and make them to drop whatever they want to drop for you. Yes, there must be a sacrifice.
No way, just must be my wife. Huh? So if I sacrifice my wife, then who am I making the money for?
She didn't mean your wife. She said any living thing you jam first when you get home.
Oh, Sas, it is my wife that I live with, and you know that. There's no other living thing in my house but my wife.
Rich, go home first.
Let me ask you a question. Who was your sacrificial lamb?
It's none of your business. It's a secret between me and Onyeburebu. I only helped.
Osas. Hey! Hey, what have I done, oh Lord? What have I done?
Let's not forget, whatever happens inside remains secret. And one thing awaits anybody who tells an alien. Instant death.
And who is an alien?
An alien is anybody that has not visited the home of Onyeburebu and released the secret.
Oh God. Osas, what did I offend you? Why did you do this to me? No. No way.
Let's go home.
No. Hey! Take me to... Just drop me off on the road, safe. Don't take me home. Just drop me on the way.
Brother.
Jesus Christ!
What's it?
Are you a ghost or what?
Brother, ghost. No, a ghost. But I've been trying your number since morning. Your line has not been connected.
That was because I was in one village. There was no network there. Why didn't you call my wife?
You are the wife's number.
What's the problem?
Brother, it's Papa.
What's wrong with him?
Papa said he's tired of this world and he wants to die. Me, I'm tired of talking to him. I'm tired. That's why I came. So both of us will go to the village together and you help me talk to Papa.
Why?
I don't know. He just came back 2 days ago and started complaining that he's tired of this world. He's tired, that he wants to die. Me, I'm tired too.
What's the meaning of all this one now, eh? What's his problem?
But I don't understand Papa again. He just said he's tired, that he wants to die and the world is frustrating. So, brother, please, I beg you. Come, let's go to the village so you help me talk to Papa.
No, I can't go anywhere. I just came from a long journey. I need to rest.
But you're tired. This is not a tired issue. It's urgent. Papa is dying. You're saying you're tired. Yes, brother.
Okay. Let me go and freshen up, man. Where's my wife?
She's been to you.
Okay,
Brother. But are you okay? Yeah.
What is your problem? Papa, eh? What is your problem? Why don't you want us to have peace? Papa?
You don't know.
What is it I don't know, Papa?
No, Richard, tell me that you don't know what my problem is.
Nkechi, do you know?
Richard, you don't know what my problem is. Let me die, let me die.
What is this now? What is your problem, Papa?
Richard, you are my problem.
Me?
You are my problem.
Me?
Yes, you are my problem.
How? What have I done? How?
I regret the day you deceived me.
to sell my lands in order to send you to school to become a graduate. They lied to me. They told me that your brain is hot, that you are a firebrand, that I should not allow your brain to waste. Okay. I sold off everything I had to send you to school. Richard, tell me, what have I got in return for all the sacrifices that we have made? What have I got? Wakenem. All I have got in return are shame. Shame, Richard, insults, humiliations. That is all I have got in return for all the sacrifices I have made on you.
Shame, Papa. Insults and humiliation. Huh?
Let me just die. Let me die. Let me die. I have got the highest shame in this village. Look at you. All my friends and brothers who did not have to sell their lands in order to train their children are doing well. They are rich. They're buying more properties, building more houses for them. But look at me. Look at me. What do I get instead? Let me just die. Papa. Oh, come on now.
So that's why you're crying. That's why you want to kill yourself, eh? Enough. Papa, listen to me. You will go to your king's men, eh? Tell them that I, Richard, your only son, I am not only good in speaking grammar. I will donate 2 million naira to your project. Yes.
Oh, so Richard, you want me to go and insult myself before my kinsmen? I did not tell them that my son, I said you will donate 2 million naira. You think 2 million naira is indomie and egg? Eh? Tell me, you, where will you get 2 million naira without running all over the streets to look for it?
Papa, I said 2 million naira. I did not make mistake, oh. Eh? Now, tell all of them they are bad for me. And any one of them whose son thinks that he has money, Papa, tell him to come for me. Because I am out for everybody. Now! And then you see this house? This house here, Papa? I'm demolishing it. I am going to erect a new mansion here! Yes. Enough is enough. Enough is enough! Nkechi! Tell all your friends, eh? Don't worry. Papa.
Nkechi, please check if your brother has malaria. Because the way he has been shouting money, it's like something is wrong with him. Richard, before you demolish my last home, build another one so that when the rains come, I can see where to go and hide my head. We shall see, Papa.
I made up my mind to do a sacrifice. How do we go about it?
Who was the first person you met at home that day?
My only sister. I don't know what brought her to my house from the village.
For real? Yeah. You see what I was telling you?
Right now, I don't even care anymore, okay? My mind is already made up. Just tell me, what's the next step?
Okay, just get a doll. A baby doll. I will represent her.
I don't want to smart to me.
Good. So, what do you care for?
Beer. Give me beer.
Get.
Are you not ready for the sacrifice?
On that fateful day when I got home, the first person I saw was my only sister. But I'm ready to give her up as the sacrifice.
Good. Do you have any point of contact with you here? Now, you can go. In 3 nights from today, you shall come for the sacrifice. You alone. Alone.
Onye buru.
Because starting when?
Tonight, sir.
Richard, this your vigil is so suspicious. I think I want to come with you.
It's men's vigil. Okay, married men's program, period.
Which church does that?
My friend invited me.
You are going to pray to God, yeah? Yeah, wait. Let me get ready so we can go together and pray. Yeah? I'll even wait inside the car while you people do your thing inside the church.
Same thing. Go and get ready.
10 minutes. I'll be right back.
Hello? Oga? I'm on my way, eh? I'll see you in 10 minutes. I'm on my way.
Tonight, I offer to you sweet-smelling sacrifice. Accept this sacrifice, O Lord, and grant him his desire, so that he can also be referred to as Onye Bulebweko.
What is wrong with you? Nkechi! 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 Hey! Nkechi, no! Nkechi! Nkechi!
Now, you can go. Your sacrifice has been accepted. Go and make money.
I'm sorry. Can I pass the night here? That night sale was a terrible experience. I can't go through that tonight, please. Yeah, I'll leave in the morning.
Suit yourself.
Thank you.
Richard, where are you coming from? Richard, I'm talking to you. Where in God's name are you coming from?
God. God. I cried all night talking to him. Asking him to help me. I'm tired of my life. All my friends are doing better than me. He needs to bless me too. He needs to bless me like other men. What have I done wrong?
Stop crying. I'm very sorry. Please. Listen, from now onwards, I promise to stand by your side. Okay? I know you still make it. Yes. I'm sorry, please.
Nkechi, this is the only girl that knows when I am hungry. She knows when I want to bathe. She knows how to take care of me. Why did that make her not me? Then why did you take her? Take her instead of me, Nkechi.
Bolanle, stop. Stop. What is this? Can you stop talking?
I should stop.
Yes, stop. You mustn't talk.
Okay. My mouth is itching up.
Richard, life is just like that. Anything can happen at any time. Children die, adults die. We should only pray to God to give us this fortitude to get the lost.
Richard!
Papa!
But
what is up here? Huh? Nkechi! Nkechi!
Papa, so there's no reason keeping her remains in the mortuary for so long. We should bury her instantly.
Richard, I know that you don't have money for the mortuary. I know that. No.
See, our days of poverty are over. I will spoil you and everyone in this village with money. Money, Papa.
We can change it. Wait. Let us talk about your dead sister first.
Okay, yes, Mama. Yes. See, the reason I'm saying we should bury her immediately is for you to help you come out of these pains immediately. Yes. The more we keep her in the mortuary, the harder it is for you to let go. Please, Papa, I don't need to be worrying about you. So, choose a day this week, anytime. Let's arrange and bury her. Sharp, sharp.
Anything you want, anyhow you want it, it's your sister.
We are here. So, Papa, money is coming. Money. Okay?
Don't allow situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Oh, take life easy. Take life easy. Unye putechi so babu and also. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Because of the things of the world, because of money.
Azuka! Azuka! Please come.
What's up,
Please, Azuka.
are you just coming?
Just come. This thing I'm hearing, is it true?
I don't know what to say. I don't know how to explain it. Somebody that was not sick. She did not complain of anything. See, just this is what they call sudden death. Just like that. She just died. Just like that.
Wait, Azuka. Are you trying to tell me that my Nkechi is dead? Is that what you're trying to say? My Nkechi is dead.
Ozemena, go to her house. Go there and meet her father. You know, even Richard came back. He came back home. Go there, they will explain it to you themselves. I don't understand.
It's okay. I'm coming, okay?
Be careful.
Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. So this is it. So Nkechi is gone for real. Hey. That's why. Of all the people in this village, why was it the only guy I loved so much that you took? I was already doing well in the city, hoping to surprise her and her father this Christmas. But this happened. Hey, will I ever come out from this pain of Nkechi's death? Oh, why? Why me? Why me? Oh God. Why me?
Come on. Yes.
$60. $2 million! Oh! Hey! 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 Alright, I'm here. Alright, come here. Hey! $2 million! Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! My God! Hey! My God! My God! One name. Hey! I'm going crazy. Magas, please. USD. Hey! Hell! This is real cash. I mean money. Okay, see, we're going to celebrate it tonight. As a joy, I can't go to the club. My wife is at home. That's the first place to do this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Telling you, okay? When you really take hey! The money talks bullshit. Oh! You officially walk into Giga. Hey! And let's begin to hey! Straight up. Finish it. We change the club. Straight up. Hey! Go. No. One go. Welcome to our new home.
You're joking, right?
You don't like it?
No. Oh my God!
This is your new house.
Baby!
I have money. Money.
My baby!
Abume.
My boo-boo! Inara Fudipa Ini Edo. Ifuziadipa. Oh my God. I love you.
Go inside and check if you like it. Because if you don't, I collect my money back and buy another one.
Inara Fudipa Ini Edo.
Allah!
You're joking! Thank you!
You like it?
I love you! Thank you!
We now live in the future.
Yes!
The bright future has come.
The man of my dreams.
Love it.
Richard, thank you for the cooler. Yes, I am actually here on behalf of my son. Listen to me. He said that to come and plead with you to sell that your small portion of land that is close to where he wants to build his hotel. You know what I'm talking about? Tell you to sell it to him so that he can add it up to his own for what he wants to do there. That's why I'm here.
Hero.
There's no land for sale.
No,
you see, I am here regretting the ones I sold in ignorance. When they misled me to send my boy to the university to study computer.
But I told you about that boy in the school. I warned you.
I have not recovered from the sale of that land. And you are sitting here asking me to sell the only one I have left.
But this one now, he will pay you very well.
Shut up, there is no land for sale.
Are you expecting anybody? Is this you?
Richard, whose car are you driving?
Papa, this is the smallest of my cars. In fact, this is the ugliest of my cars. Yes. Hello? Ralph from America. How are you? Let me call you back. I'm speaking to my father. Alright. Papa, I came to see you so that you can show me a place in this village where I will build my mansion. As you can see, Onye Bureli. Papa, this is 2 million naira. The money I asked you to pledge on my behalf for the ongoing road construction. Onye Burem!
Am I true? I don't know. You slap me.
You are not sleeping. This is real life.
Hey!
Richard,
let me bless
I
you.
know you will always make it.
I will make it.
I know you will make it in life. Why you
Papa, not tomorrow. Uncle P, I am not driving it back to myself. Why? It is yours.
My own or your father's own?
My father cannot drive a public car.
This one ugly.
It is yours.
I have fainted.
Let me call them to bring another car.
The way Richard is going about this is new building in the village is really alarming.
My dear, as if he picks money from the street of Asaba.
Work is going there night and day, non-stop, my sister.
Uh-oh. Are we talking about the expensive cars he drives around the village?
That boy has made it. I am really happy for him. I'm very happy for him.
Are you happy for him or asking God why?
Why would I ask God why?
Why immediately after the sister's death?
I am not with you on this. My hands are clean. I can't add your
Adobe, if this thing comes out to be true, I'll look at my Richard. Richard will suffer. Richard got that fofo. He will suffer. Hey!
What other truth are you seeking? Azuka, what other truth are you seeking for? Richard is building his village house with a rapid speed. Richard bought a new jeep for his uncle, Uncle P. And they said Richard is living in a very big mansion in Asaba. Hey! You know very well that if the windows of heaven opens to that and rain down money, it will take Richard months, if not years, to pick the money. Something is fished somewhere, my sister.
You know, I try to fathom, I try to understand how somebody will use his only sister, the only sister, his blood, on this earth, yeah, for money rituals. Go.
It is called wickedness. Obiakpo. Lack of conscience.
Adobe, I don't want to believe it. I am yet to believe it. In fact, it is better I don't believe it. Because, Mel, I can't believe it. This is madness.
I can't believe it. Nkechi, our friend. But it's not happening.
Hey! Hey!
Guys, I need to ask you something that's been bothering me. I want to know you guys go about it. What is it? Oh, this police officers in Brasama. The SARS and law enforcement guys who always stopping expensive cars, looking for laptops and internet personnel. How do you deal with them? Has anyone stopped you? Well, I see them stopping people on the road all the time. That's not the question. The question is, has anyone stopped you? No. Every time I drive past them, I'm always in a panic mode. I'm fine. Yeah. Why? But I never village that shit. I don't understand.
They always stop those guys that up to $10,000 to $20,000 and making noise, doing themselves all over the place. But we didn't need GG guys. We don't have any story. Because what we do,
cover us how?
Yes.
Like I said, you don't need to that's what you are. And you guys not tell me this before.
One leg in, one guy in my
We are in money. We are in money.
We need money. We squeeze money. So baby, how you doing? Oh, okay. I'm an internet guru. I'm into internet business.
You mean Yahoo Yahoo?
Come on, which one is Yahoo Yahoo?
So what do you do then?
Okay. I create website for white men and some big companies in Nigeria, which I'm being paid in dollars. And I do website upgrade and management.
Okay, like Lady Cage.
Oh yes, actually she told me to create some website for my too.
Wow, you must be a genius.
Yeah, I can say that again.
Making your money from the comfort of your home.
Yeah. I am planning to, actually I'm building an office where I will employ a lot of jobless youths to help their life, you know. And I'll be paying them according to their work.
Wow, that's a great one, baby.
Thank you very much. You can say that again. Wow.
Hope you still remember you're taking I and your friends out for shopping today.
Of course. I remember very well. So, what's up with them?
Oh, they'll soon be here, down the way.
Okay. Well.
Baby. Yep. Wedding flowers said these are the things that I needed for a grand wedding. Yes.
Okay. That's okay. I hope the 3 million for the food will get up. Because my guys, they combo.
Yes, it's way long.
It's okay. Apart from our own arrangements, I'm going to get like 2 Kulima valuable to stock drinks because my guys are coming.
Wow. Yeah. See, as you wish, darling. I put in money to stock million, 800,000 naira.
Oh, for real?
But how do you think to pay that?
It's okay. Just give me her account details.
Okay.
Let me transfer immediately.
Okay. 000 66 33 46. Yes. Yeah. Baby, who's some top bloggers are going to cover our event?
Yeah, I invited a lot. A lot of them.
Wow, I can't wait.
Get it now.
Okay, thanks.
May I help you? This is the Queen of England. Welcome, ma.
Thank you.
Welcome.
That ready. I had fun.
But you can say that again later.
You know, I was wishing it was our wedding. Really wish it was our wedding.
Don't worry, okay? We still have a lot of celebrations. We have the child naming ceremony. We have the silver jubilee, golden jubilee. A lot.
You can't be like a man's wedding. Have fun, though.
It is a taboo in our land for an elderly man to sit idly, watching while she goat delivers. We have heard so much about one of us and have decided to take the bull by the horn. Papa Richard. Papa Richard.
Me?
You.
Me.
You. All this rumor going about in this village, what do you have to say about it?
Rumor what?
Please tell me.
Tell him that your son, Richard, used his only sister for morning ritual. That was why he suddenly became rich immediately after the death of his sister.
What? What did you just say?
You heard him. He had no water in his mouth.
God will.
judge you. God will judge you. You! Eh? And even you that say you are my brother. God will judge you. Your sons have all made money. And whenever we gather, you turn me to your laughing stock. Now that God has blessed him, you all turn around to accuse him of ritual money. Did anyone accuse your own sons of ritual money?
My brother, that is not the point.
I am not your brother. I cannot be your brother. You are all the same. Yes, you are all the same. You're like my former poverty state. Don't you? Whenever we gather, you make jest of me. But now God has disappointed you. God has disappointed you.
Papa Richard, we are just going round and round. Just go straight to the point and give us the answer. Eh? Just tell us.
Yes, because when a crying child persistently pointing and acts, if the mother is not there, the father must be there. You must know. Nkechi, my daughter, was alive before Richard made his money. Yes. I remember vividly on that fateful day when he came home and told me, Papa, wave bye-bye to poverty. I am now rich. Nkechi was there. I also recall the day he told me, Father, go and make a donation of 2 million naira for the road construction project going on in this village. Of course, Nkechi was there. How much did your son donate? Even you. And you. Let me ask you. Why are you envious of me? Why are you envious of me? Why? Why?
It hasn't gotten to that. We are only trying to find the truth. Find out the truth.
Nkechi. Nkechi. They say that the dead neither hear nor speak. But I know that you can hear me. Richard, your brother, has been wrongly accused as being behind your death. Nkechi, I want you to rise up and answer them. I want you to rise up and defend your brother. Nkechi, I want you to rise up and defend this household. I want you to rise and defend us against these malicious allegations, Nkechi. Let them know that Richard, your brother, made his money even before you died. Nkechi, rise up and speak for yourself. Nkechi! Nkechi! Nkechi!
Nkechi! Nkechi!
Can you hear that?
Hear what?
It's as if someone is using my face to lamp water in the kitchen.
What kind of stupid talk is that? There's no one living in the house with us. We don't even have a house help. Are you alright?
Richard, do you mean to tell me you can't hear this loud sound?
Can't hear anything. What sound are you hearing? Foma! Oh my God! Onny! Foma! Foma, what's wrong with you? Foma!
I saw her pounding stuff in my kitchen.
Baby, the doctor says you have high fever, but you'll be fine.
So baby, you don't believe me?
Well, he said people with high fever have the chances of saying things, very strange things. So I'm sure that's what's happening.
Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Take life easy. Take life easy. When you put it so babu we are no so.
What's pursuing you? What now?
Later you say, Silva, come and see for yourself.
Engage. Come and show me. Come and show me now.
There now. Hey. It's a lie. Honey, I swear to God, I saw her, she was there. She was right there. I saw her, I swear to God.
Ufoma.
I swear to God, it's no fever. I don't have fever. I know what I saw. I saw Nkechi right there.
Ufoma, listen to me. I'm busy.
If any man wanna bamanya, makiheko. Ewo chimo. Ewo chimo. Don't allow situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Take life easy. Take life easy. When you put it So we are no so. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Because of the things of the world, because of money.
You know, we've never recorded such similar case with Onny Edo.
Are you sure?
Very sure. You know, 2 years ago, Sunday uses his mother to do such, and it has not disturbed him or any family member. And I used my brother 6 months back. I have no such case.
But why is mine different? Why?
Anyway, if it happens again, we meet Onny Edo. Okay? Just chill. Okay? Just chill. Just chill.
Nkechi, what is it? What is it? Why are you tormenting my life? What is it? Was I the person that killed you? What are you doing in my kitchen? What is it? Leave me alone! I took your death. I took your death. Which person's death did you take? Stop tormenting my life! I don't know you. I'm not the person that killed you. Stop tormenting my life!
Foma!
Your sister said she took my death. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know why she's tormenting my life.
Okay, it's okay.
No! She was here. She was here. Give me a Foma!
It's okay.
She was here. My life.
It's okay. No, I'm sorry. Okay, come. Okay. Sorry. It will happen again, okay?
No spirit of any sacrifice I made has right over my own. Because the Lord I serve is the Lord of all spirits. She is seeking for vengeance, but she can't hurt you.
Yeah, but what about my wife? If my wife is disturbed, so am I.
She should fight her battle herself. She doesn't belong to me, so I can't fight her battles.
Onny Edo, please, if there is anything you can do to help, please do.
Please.
I only help those who seek help from me. I don't help those whose hearts are far away from me. The only thing I can assure you is the spirit of your late sister cannot come near you.
Why is my own always like this? Eh? Why?
It's okay.
Why is my own different?
It's okay. Come on, let's leave this place first. Okay? Let's go.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
What if the spirit of my late sister keeps hunting after my wife? What am I going to do? Hey! Richard, is this truly the life you have dreamt of? Is this truly the greatness you have always talked about all your life? Why would you give in to pressures? Why? Why?
See what you have caused, eh? See what your papa have caused me now, eh? What have I gotten myself into? What is all this? For my seed. I was taking my life step by step. I was waiting for God. But your papa, you get pressure me into money. Eh? Now I've got some money. See all this happening. I did. Oh, you took me to work with internet fraud. What with the man sacrifice? I didn't want to do it. God knows I didn't want to do it. But your papa, you kept pressuring me. Hey! Foma! Doctor! Oh, doctor!
Who has defiled this temple? Who has revealed our secrets to an alien? Who? No one defies the separate covenant and stays alive to talk about it. No alien cares about what happens in the domain of Onny.
The doctor said I should get the contact of any of the family members. According to the doctor, he said your case has defied medical treatment and is even suspecting a spiritual problem. And he wants them to take it to a spiritualist.
Oh my dad. Oh my father.
In the whole world and lose his soul because of the things of the world, because of money.
Richard, what is going on? Your wife just died mysteriously, and now you are plagued by a strange illness. What is going on? Talk to me, I am your father. Richard, is it true that you are behind your sister's death? Richard.
Money.
Richard!
Neither will you be the last. Eh? Put yourself together. Eh? Stop. Don't start. Stop again. Oh, I'm not going to bring me back. Bring him back. I said, don't start. Hey, man. Don't be like that.
I don't think I can survive this one.
Don't say it again. Don't say it again.
I think I can survive.
Don't make me start. Don't let me start my own. No. If you allow me to start my own here, you cannot be able to hold me. You can't be able to hold me.
How can a man lose 3 children in so short?
Stop. It's okay. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Stop this.
Nkechi, why do you have to leave? Why do you have to leave me now? Richard, it will never be well with your soul, even in hell. you will continue to suffer eternal damnation.
The truth has finally prevailed in this village. They said that the spirit of Nkechi has finally killed the man and his wife.
Child, Jehovah, have mercy.
My dear, I am really concerned about their father. This man has really suffered, I'm telling you. They said that the man went into coma on hearing that his son and the in-law are all dead.
Child, what else is he living for? I don't think he will survive it.
I'm telling you, but God will help. God will help them. I'm telling you. God has to help because that man has suffered.
Yeah,
God will have mercy. God will have mercy. This is important.
What can we do now? What we can do? Let us take him to the mortuary. Sorry, I mean to say hospital. Let's take him to the hospital.
Child. Arrow. Youth of these days are money.
See, as it stands now, I am afraid of everybody. And that includes you. Yes. I'm not saying everybody should keep his money to himself so that if I'm dying, I will know what I'm dying of.
Child.
Anyone?
I don't know.
Anyone? About the child? About the child? No, nothing will happen to you.
What is this thing in the news all over the internet about Richard?
It's sad, sir. Really sad. They were impatient and they ended up like that. Even Osas is in the police custody.
What a loss. The world has lost a great gen. A great genius has just gone like that.
So sad, sir. I wish he listened to me. I wish he listened to us. He was just impatient.
If only he had been patient with us.
Sir, come on, have a seat.
No problem. I'm sorry.
Don't allow situation of life to put you into trouble. Don't allow the pressure of life to weigh you down. Take life easy. Take life easy. When you put it you so babu and no so. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul because of the things of the world, because of money? Ewo chimo